Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. The question for today reads, in the expansion of 2 plus ax to the power of 6, the coefficient of x squared is 240 divided by 9. Now determine the possible values of a. We are going to use binomial expansion, and the formula for binomial expansion is given by a plus b to the power of n is equal to a to the power n plus n choose 1, then a to the power n minus 1, b plus n choose 2, a to the power n minus 2, b squared. So the terms go on and on up until you get to the point where you have b to the power of n. All right. Now we are going to expand this expression that we are given, and it is 2 plus ax to the power of 6. Now, upon using that formula, we shall be taking our 2 to be a, and then our b will be ax. All right. But now, if you look at this formula that we have from the binomial theorem, you can clearly see that the coefficient of x squared will be found in this term, in that formula, because that's where we'll be having b squared. And remember, b is ax. That's where we'll be having x squared. So we just need to concentrate on this term. All right. So we are going to write it down. We are going to say we're going to say n choose 2, a to the power n minus 2, b squared. And that's going to give us, you remember our n is 6. That will be 6 choose 2. Our a is 2. So we'll be having 2 to the power of n minus 2, that is 6 minus 2. And b squared, our b, remember, is ax. So we say ax squared. Then we are going to simplify that further. 6 choose 2 is 15. And we have 2 to the power 6 minus 2. That will be 2 to the power 4, because 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 to the power 4 is 16. So that is multiplying 16. And we expand that. We are going to have a squared x squared. All right. So the coefficient of x squared now is this one I have boxed. So that means we are saying 15 multiplied by 16, a squared is the coefficient of x squared in that expansion. So that is equal to 240 divided by 9. But now if you realize you can just multiply this, you are going to have 240 on this other side. A squared is equal to 240 divided by 9. And we are going to divide 240 both sides. We are going to remain with a squared is equal to 1 over 9. Then we are going to take the root both sides. We are going to have plus or minus the root of 1 over 9. So therefore, the possible values of a will be a is equal to plus or minus 1 over 3. So we are going to have a as plus or minus 1 over 3. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.